Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about cyclic quadrilateral. What's the difference between a quadrilateral and a cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilateral is the one which is inscribed in a circle with all its vertices lies on the circumference of the circle. Then it is called a cyclic quadrilateral. This is the basic definition. But the main important thing to know is for a cyclic quadrilateral, the circle is not the main important thing. For a quadrilateral to become a cyclic quadrilateral, the most important properties are there are two properties. One is the sum of opposite angles in the quadrilateral should be equal to 180 degrees. So, for a quadrilateral to be a cyclic one, alpha plus beta should be equal to 180 degrees. The second rule is the quadrilateral should accept the Ptolemy's theorem. Now we will see proof for how alpha plus beta is equals to 180 degrees in a cyclic quadrilateral. We are going to mention two methods. This is the method 1. In the method 1, from the center of the circle, draw two radius to opposite corners of the quadrilateral. Let's name this quadrilateral as A, B, C, D and center of the circle as O. Name angle A as alpha and angle C as beta. From one of the Euclid's theorem which we already proved in the previous videos, I will leave the video link in the iCard. If anyone interested, please check it. From Euclid's theorem, if the angle at the circumference of the circle is alpha, then the angle at the center of the circle is twice the time of alpha. So this angle is equals to 2 times alpha. In the similar way, as the angle at C is beta, the angle at the center will become 2 beta. As we already know, the angle at the center of the circle is equals to 360 degrees. So 2 alpha plus 2 times beta is equals to 360 degrees. If we divide both the sides with 2, alpha plus beta is equals to 180 degrees. Hence proved sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. In method 2, draw radius from center of the circle to all the corners of the quadrilateral. Let's name this quadrilateral again as A, B, C and D. Name the center of the circle as O. Now the quadrilateral got divided into four triangles, right? Triangle OAD, triangle OAB, triangle OBC, triangle ODC. Now using these four triangles, we are going to prove sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Consider the first triangle OAD. In triangle OAD, OA and OD are radius of the triangle. As OA and OD are equal, OAD is an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So if I name this angle as A, this angle is also equals to A. Now go to the second triangle OAB. In this triangle also, OA and OB are radius of circle. So it is also a isosceles triangle. As we already discussed, in isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. If angle at B is B, then angle at A will also become B. Now consider the third triangle OBC. In triangle OBC also, OB and OC are radius of the triangle. So OB and OC are equal. So it is also an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So if I am naming this angle as C, this angle also becomes C. Considering the fourth triangle ODC, in the triangle ODC also, OC and OD are radius. This is also an isosceles triangle. If I am considering the angle here as D, this one also becomes D. Now, if we consider the quadrilateral ABCD, each angle is divided into two angles again. We have all the angles now. In quadrilaterals, sum of all the interior angles is equals to 360 degrees. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degrees. As we already said, each angle is divided into two equal parts. Angle A is A plus B plus angle C is B plus C plus angle C is C plus D plus angle D is D plus A. If you observe carefully, each of the alphabet A, B, C, D are repeating two times each. So 2 times of A plus B plus C plus D is equals to 360 degrees. Now A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 180 degrees. Now, if you observe angle A plus B, we can write it as angle A, right? And angle C plus D, we can write it as angle C, right? So it is equals to 180 degrees. Angle A and angle C are opposite angles of the quadrilateral. Hence prove sum of opposite angles in the cyclic quadrilateral are 180 degrees.